In this video, we want to find the orthogonal projection of B equals 1, 2, 0, negative 2 onto the subspace W equals span of V1 and V2. V1 is just all ones, and then V2 is 1, 1, negative 1, and negative 1. We are given that V1 and V2 are orthogonal with respect to the Euclidean inner product. And so now we can find the orthogonal projection formula. That's just going to be projection of B onto V1 plus projection of B onto V2, which is then equal to this thing. So what we need to find is B dot V1, B dot V2, magnitude of V1 and magnitude of V2. So let's compute. The first thing is to find B dot V1. B is given to us as 1, 2, 0, negative 2. And V1 is just all ones. So this is what we're calculating here. Do the dot product and get that's equal to 1. Now we want to compute the magnitude of V1 squared, which the magnitude of V1 squared is it's just the magnitude of V1 without the square root. So it's just each of the sum of the square components. So that's going to be just all the 1 squared and then add it up, which is 4. B dot V2 now is 1, 2, 0, negative 2, dotted with 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1. Do the dot product to get 5. We can now compute V2, which will just square each of the components and then add them to get also 4. So now we can plug it in. We have C1. These are the scalar coefficients, so think of this as like the number in front of the V1, and then we'll do the number in front of the V2. So we have B dot V1 is 1 over magnitude of V1 squared. That's 4, so we have 1 over 4. B dot V2 is 5 over magnitude of V2 squared is 4, so that's 5/4. And so now we just need to multiply each one by the vector. So 1/4 will be multiplied by the V1, and 5/4 will be multiplied by V2 to get these as these two. And then now we need to add them, because we said the projection was the sum of, if we go up here, the sum of the first one and the sum of the second one. So projection of B onto V1 plus projection of B onto V2. So we'll just add these guys and get 3 halves, 3 halves, negative 1, and negative 1 as the final answer.